After completing a bunch of fun DIY projects with this Ozito Hot Glue Gun, I couldn't wait to share my experience and I am excited to give a review. This hot glue gun comes with 3 nozzles, a rubber nozzle cover and 4 glue sticks. Glue sticks are 11 mm in diameter and 100 mm in length. To attach the nozzle to the glue gun, fit the nozzle onto the end of the hot glue gun and tighten it by turning it clockwise. Once it is tight, fit the rubber nozzle cover onto the nozzle. After that, insert the glue stick into the glue stick inlet and squeeze the flow control trigger multiple times to push the glue stick down. Turn on the glue gun by plugging it. It will take 5 minutes to heat up. Once the glue sticks are heated fully, squeeze the flow control trigger to release the glue. After finishing the use of a hot glue gun, unplug it and let it cool. To remove the nozzle, unscrew it by turning it anti-clockwise. When glue is stuck, it is difficult to unscrew it by hand. That is the only drawback of this hot glue gun. Remember to clean the hot glue gun after every use. Thanks for watching.